Welcome to the Dr. Phil Show. Today we're going to talk about trouble in cell reproduction. Now, to first kick up the show, does anybody know what comes before mitosis?
I know it's interphase. It has three parts, the G1, the S phase, and the G2. The G1 is when the cell is growing and it is organized. S phase is when it's a copy of the DNA, and the G2 is it also grows and it preps for mitosis.
Someone knows their stuff. Now to start off with the show, I'm here to introduce Cheryl. Welcome, Cheryl.
Thank you.
So what I hear is that you and your daughter have an argument about the steps of mitosis?
Yes, because she thinks that anaphase and telophase go before prophase and metaphase.
Okay, so now we're going to be bringing Danielle to the stage. Danielle, will you please come to the stage? Hello, welcome, Danielle. Hi, how are you today? All right, so I hear that you and your mother are having a little argument in the steps of mitosis.
Yup.
Okay, so now you have to explain me your part.
Okay, so my part is that anaphase, the centrosomes split the chromosomes apart to their own side and they split up. In telophase, the cytokinesis is happening and it splits the cell into two. So then the nuclear membrane reappears, so the cell is decondensing, which is getting smaller. So, Mother, would you like to add to that?
In the prophase, the centrosomes move to the opposite side, the nuclear membrane disappears, and the chromosomes shrinking. In the metaphase, the nuclear membrane is gone, the centrosomes are on the opposite side, releasing tubules. The chromosomes are in the middle at the metaphase.
That's a bit right. Are you sure you've been to a biology class?
Well, if you want to get technical, I've never been to my biology class ever since the first day of school.
And that explains why you're wrong.
You want to take this outside because I think that you're bring cameras outside.
Sit down. Sit down.
Don't get technical with me.
And all these hoes laughing like it's so funny.
So the audience are hoes?
Yup. Cells outside, how about that?
What?
Catch these cells outside, how about that?
What does that mean?
What I just said.
She means to take her stuff outside and she's gonna deal with it. But see, this is all mouth. This is all mouth. You can't fight mouth.
All right then, we'll be back after these messages.
Have you ever noticed yourself not knowing what cytokinesis is? Well, I've got you, man.
Cytokinesis is the cell division process where the cytoplasm of a eukaryotic cell is divided. The cell pinches in and separates the cells between the cleavage furrow. In other words, and then you are left with two daughter cells.
Releasing tubules. And the
Are you sure that's right? I mean,
Which when this cell split into two. So I think my mother's wrong.
in the metaphase, the nuclear membrane is gone. The centrosomes are
Don't